Hey guys, it's Jonesy. Something a little different for you today. Thought I'd resurrect my HPI Savage monster truck. Spent the last hour and a half pulling the engine apart to unseize it. Haven't run it for about 18 months now, and normally I keep putting a little bit of oil in there, but the oil looks like it had dried up and just seized it up, so it wasn't too hard to get it up and running again. But, I can't run it at home. I don't have the space, so I've just come down to the local park, and yeah, this is the one that I used to race quite a few years back. It's still in race trim as such. So yeah, it's a little beat up and worse for wear, but it still runs okay, and yeah, we'll just give it a quick go and hopefully it still runs as good as before. Righto, let's go. It's just run a little bit lean there, so I'm just going to richen it up a little bit. Nitro up my nose. Yeah, it's just running a little bit lean there. Yeah, it's still running a bit lean. Yeah guys, it's just running a bit lean. I'm just going to grab a screwdriver from the car so I can just adjust it without having to take the cover off. So I'll just stop the vid here for a sec, and I'll give it a bit of a tune, and I'll come back. Alright guys, I think I've got it pretty much tuned in now. Yeah, these engines have got a high and a low speed needle, so you've got to just adjust both. Yeah, this one's got a 2-speed gearbox. First run of my monster truck for about 2 years. It needed a little bit of tuning, but not too much. I think I was running about 40% nitro fuel when I was racing, but it's a lot more expensive, so I just got some 20%. I think we got 25, I think, for this, just to muck around with, so that's why it needs a bit of tuning. So that's the old girl with no cover on.